Hi, operators part 2 video. In this video we'll see the identity operators and membership operators. Identity operators are nothing but if the variables are referring to the same object or the variables are different object. In that case you can use the identity operator. Let's go with some examples. The two identity operators are is and is not. These are the two identity operators. Let's try to print x is y. If x and y are same object, it has to return true. Let's see the result. False. X is not y because both are referring to the different objects. X is stored in a different location of Python memory and y is stored in a different location of Python memory. So it's not the same objects. Only the contents are same. Only the contents are same, not the location of the objects. But z is referring to the variable, referring to the object x. So z is same as x. See, that is true. X equals y, which refers the contents only. But x is y refers the location, objects, whether it is referring to the same object or not. This is how the identity operators works. Let's see is not as well. It has to return false because z is x only. Both refers to the same object. Both objects are same. But it's checking is not. So the condition is false. It returns false. This is how the identity operators works. The final operator is a membership operator. In, not in. These are the membership operators. Membership operator checks for the sequence present in the object. Y equals to sum. X y in x. If the content of y is present in x anywhere, then it has to return true. Yeah. The sum is presented in awesome. Suppose if I change the value here, then it has to result false. Yeah. Let's check the not in operator as well. It has to return true because y is not in x. So the result will be true. Yeah, the condition is true. That's all about the most important operators in Python. Let's meet through some other Python video. Thank you.